This is a video on how to create a document inside of a Google Classroom assignment. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to my assignment list. So I'm going to click View All here underneath Upcoming. Now I'm going to be coming down to this assignment that I have from my teacher, Create a Document. So I'm going to view the details of the assignment. So I would click here, and then I'm going to view the details of the assignment. You'll see that I have the title of the assignment as well as the instructions. Create a Google Doc and write about your day. Over here is where I will be creating my Google Doc. See that this says mark as done. That's going to change after we create our document. So I will click here to add or create. These top three are all about adding. These bottom four are about creating. In this case, I want to create a doc, but I could also create a slide, a sheet, or a drawing. But because my assignment asks for a doc, I'm going to click Docs. Right now, it's in the process of creating my Google Doc. You see it opened up for me automatically. It's also named the file for me. And it's already shared with my teacher, so I do not have to click here and share it. So I'm going to write about my day. I have had a very nice day. I'm all done for my example here. Obviously, your teacher will probably want you to write more, but for our example, this works. I'm going to exit out of that document now that I'm all done, and I'm going to come over here to turn it in. Before I do that, though, I do want to let you know that you can also create multiple documents within the same assignment. So even though I've created a doc, I could also add another doc, or I could add slides, sheets, or drawings. You're not limited to just one. Also notice that the mark as done has changed to turn in because I actually have something now to turn in. So I'm going to turn that in. Now at this point, it'll be important to know if I click on this Google Doc and title right here, it's going to open up the document for me. But because I have submitted it, I can't change anything. So if you notice, I don't have the little cursor that lets me type. So as I click my keys, nothing's happening. You'll see this button that says Request Access. For your assignments, you usually will not need to use this. Talk to your teacher if they think you need to, but here's how you would actually make adjustments to your assignment. The best way would be to click X, come back here and click on this button that says Unsubmit. When you unsubmit it, you'll see the turn in button coming back. You also have the add or create button again, but now when I open it up, now I can add some more information. I went to the park with my family. So I've added a little bit more information. I'm closing it again, and I will turn it back into my teacher. And that is how you create a document inside of Google Classroom. I hope this has been helpful. Have a wonderful day.